What is the most heartbreaking thing you've ever had to tell someone? 1. Telling my son his mother died. Worst day of my life, and certainly is also. 2. Mom isn't coming back. She didn't die, she just didn't want to be in their lives anymore. 3. I had to call all of my siblings